myself Mauli Rudra and I'm a medical student here. And you are?
I am Rishikesh Rudrawat.
Okay, sir, for me able to help you today. I just want to ask you some questions. Is that okay with you to answer that question, sir?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. So before we start, I just want to clarify some information. So you are Mr. Rishikesh Rudra and you are 20-year old. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay, that's perfect. So, sir, how can I help you today?
I have chest discomfort and I vomit in the morning.
Okay, so you had the chest discomfort and the vomiting in the morning, right?
Yes.
Oh, can you tell me where this chest discomfort actually happened?
It's above the stomach and mid of chest.
Okay, so it's actually above the stomach and middle of the chest, right? So can you tell me actually how it's feel like the chest discomfort? Is it like the burning sensation or the sharp pain or the dull pain in your chest?
It's like burning sensation.
Okay, so it's like burning chest pain, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. That's very good. Can you rate the severity of pain on the scale of 0 to 10?
I will rate it 4.
Okay. Will that the pain radiate anywhere or spread from that place or only on the just the middle of the chest?
Yes, only on middle of chest, not spreading anywhere.
Okay, that's good. Also, you told me you had the vomiting in the morning, right? So, how many times you vomit in morning?
It's only one time.
Okay, only once, right? That's perfect. So, sir, I just want to ask some questions about your past medical history. Did you have any surgery before?
No.
Okay, you have any other diseases?
No, not like that, but I have concern with my father's illness and my studies.
Okay, so you don't have any other diseases, but however, you are just concerned about your father's illness and about your studies, right? Okay, so you take any medication before for the this chest discomfort and vomiting?
I have take Gasofast.
If I am not wrong, Gasofast is just the acid reliever available in market, right?
Yes.
That's perfect. Sir, I just want to ask if you have any breathing problems,
No.
any itching,
No.
okay, any loss in the appetite or the weight.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Also, you have any vision or hearing problems, sir?
No.
Okay, I just want to ask some question about your family. Is there anyone in your family having the same problem in past some days?
No, not like that.
Okay, that's also very good. That's also very helpful. Mr. Rishikesh, I just want to ask you some questions about your personal history. Is that able? I mean, is that okay with you to answer that question, sir?
Yes.
Okay. Do you drink, sir?
No.
Do you smoke?
No.
That's really very good. Do you regularly exercise?
No, not regularly.
Okay, that's fine also, sir. Do you have any question about this to me?
No, but can I get what is the procedure after this?
Okay, so you want the answer for what is the procedure after this, right?
Yes.
So, sir, I just already took the information from you. So, I will discuss this with my team, and later on we will analyze the information. Or at the same time, we need to perform some measurement for the vital signs, like the blood pressure, also the temperature measurement, also the heart rate and the respiratory rate, because this vital signs will be useful for the analysis of your condition. Is that okay with you?
Yes, of course.
Okay, then we will proceed to the vital sign measurement. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, sir. So, hello, sir. For the vital sign measurement, we will start with the temperature measurement. So, this is the portable temperature stick, which will measure your temperature, body temperature. So, after putting this into your mouth, you have to wait for 10 to 15 seconds until this beep sound you will hear. Then we will get the actual your body temperature. Okay. 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 So for the next vital sign, we will measure your pulse rate. So I want to handle your hand, please. That's good. So sir, for the use of this oxygen oximeter, we will measure your oxygen concentration. Is that okay with you? Can you put your finger here? Okay, that's good. 97. Okay, so for the next vital sign, we will measure the blood pressure. I will use this sphygmomanometer to measure it. Can you just put hammer on here? Just like this. Okay, so it's done. Thank you for cooperation, sir. The next vital sign will be your respiratory rate. I will observe your chest, how many times it will rise while you are breathing for the 1 minute. Okay, sir? Okay, thank you, sir. So we already took all the four main vital sign measurement: your temperature, heart rate, respiratory rate, and your blood pressure. We will analyze this with your history taking information with our team. Then we will analyze your problem. Then we will let you know. Thank you, sir. Thank you.